In our next question, we are given that a quadrilateral ABCD, whose area is given to be 3 root 3 by 4, is inscribed in a circle of radius equals 1. Two of the sides of the quadrilateral are given, AB equals 1 and BD is the diagonal which is given to be root 3. We want to find all other lengths of the quadrilateral. So in order to proceed with this question, we first make the figure. Taking this as A, B, C and D, we are given with AB equals 1, we are given with BD equals root 3. Let us take CD to be equal to D and BC to be equal to C. Now for the triangle ADB, since this circle is acting as the circumcircle, and we know that the radius of the circle is 1, so the radius of circumcircle for the triangle ADB is equal to 1, and we know that for a triangle A upon sin A, for a triangle ABC, any triangle A upon sin A equals B upon sin B equals C upon sin C equals 2R. This R is the radius of the circumcircle. So for triangle ADB, AB upon sin D equals 2R, AD upon sin of angle ADB equals 2R, which is equal to 2. So sin of angle ADB equals AD is equal to 1, so this is equal to half. So sin of angle ADB equals half gives angle ADB equals 30 degrees. Now dB upon sin of angle A equals 2R again, and this in turn is equal to AB upon sin D now dB we know equals root 3 upon sin A equals 2, sin A equals root 3 by 2, so angle A equals 60 degrees. Now if angle A is 60 degrees, this is 30 degrees, and since it is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore we know that this angle is 120 degrees. So one of the relation which we can use is cos of 120 degrees equals d square plus c square minus db square, which is 3 upon 2 dc equals cos of angle C, which is equal to minus half. This can be used as the first equation, and we can utilize the second relation. Area of triangle is equal to root 3 by 4. Area of quadrilateral is given to be 3 root 3 by 4, and this quadrilateral is made up of two triangles, and area of triangle ABD equals half 1 into root 3 into sine of angle ABD. And we know that if this is 60 degrees, this is 30 degrees, this is 90 degrees, so sine of angle ABD is equal to 1. So area of triangle ABD equals root 3 by 2. Also we know that angle of triangle BDC equals half D into C into sine of 120 degrees, which is again root 3 by 2. So on adding both these areas, we get root 3 by 2 plus DC root 3 by 4 equals 3 root 3 by 4. So DC by 4 equals 3 by 4 minus half, which is equal to 1 by 4. So we get DC equals 1. On putting DC equals 1 in this equation, we get D square plus C square minus 3 equals minus 1. So D square plus C square equals 2, which gives us D equals C equals 1. Hence our final answer is DC equals D equals 1, CB equals C, which is again equal to 1, and in this right angle triangle ADB, we get DB square plus AB square equals AD square, DB square plus AB square equals AD square. We know that DB is equal to root 3, so we put this 3 plus 1 equals AD square equals 4, which gives AD equals